All right, welcome back, Downshifters. So today, actually, I want to show you guys a couple of products that I ended up getting for my Jeep, or my Overlander. Pretty excited, actually. I've been trying to get something for my other vehicle as far as products that I can use to, clean my car, keep my car clean on the inside, exterior, and also maybe polish some of the paint since it's an older vehicle. But this just was even more of a reason to get it because I got my Jeep and there's a couple of swirls, a couple of scratches and stuff like that. You guys are probably wondering why am I doing it? Especially if I'm going to take it off-roading, I'm probably going to get more scratches and dings and all this other stuff. Well, it just makes me feel good. Why not, right? I do have another vehicle that I'm going to use it for, so might as well try it on this Jeep. So what I want to do is actually show you guys the products that I got, and they are from Chemical Guys. And just to make sure I make it clear, this is not a video that's sponsored by Chemical Guys, but I've heard a lot of great reviews from Chemical Guys. The other thing is the person who sold me the vehicle, Brian, he was one of the first persons that said, "Hey, try this product from Chemical Guys. It's really good on the exterior trim." And I mean, he's been having this car for a while, so I was like, let's give it a try. So what I want to do is, I got a couple of stuff, from Amazon. Unfortunately, when I tried to get it from, Chemical Guys, they were all sold out. But the good thing I was able to get it through Amazon, and it was still on a very good deal, a good sell price. So, the other thing is, it is, a late birthday gift. So it's one of those cool gifts that you get that you don't even have to pay for. So actually really cool. I wanted to do an open box or a box opening. What is it unboxing, but I got a little too late to my house, and by the time I got there, the people that live with me were too excited to open to see what it was, and unfortunately they opened it. So, too bad. We'll do it on other, reviews where I can show you guys and open it. I was super excited, but let's go through some of the products right now. So the first product that I want to talk to you guys about is the Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Uh, Once again, I did go through all the reviews on Chemical Guy's website, and I did see that I wanted to get something that I could use on the interior of my car that wasn't going to damage anything, regardless of where I sprayed it on. There was overspray on anything. So what I did end up doing is, getting a product that I could use on, the LCD screen on the navigation thing on the car. If it landed on the glass, any of the leather or the plastic, portions of the vehicle. If you guys do know, on some of the Jeeps or most of the Jeeps, they have the steering wheel that's made out of leather. So I wanted to make sure that I had a product that I could use basically anywhere inside the interior of the vehicle. And this had amazing reviews, and I'm pretty excited to use it, of course. So, this one's the first product that I want to, show you guys. The next product that I did get is the one that Brian, told me about, which is the VRP vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Once again, a bunch of really good reviews on the Chemicals Guys website. Uh, just so you know, I do a lot of research and a lot of homework when it comes to anything that I purchase. In general, just not the Jeep, but just in general, everything that I do, and try to purchase for myself. But, this one had a lot of really good reviews. It says that works on the exterior trims, the plastic, the rubbers. You can put it on your tires. You can put it on the black trims itself of the vehicle. You could put it on, the Goose Gear products and stuff like that, and it'll look great and it lasts for a while. So once again, a product that I'm super excited to show you guys. Definitely, we'll try that out. All right. The next product I want to show you guys that I ended up getting, is the Torque, Orbit Polisher. So just by grabbing the box, it is on the heavier side. But I mean, I'm guessing it's a pretty good sturdy product. So, once again, saw really good reviews on it. I mean, I couldn't beat the price on it. I did get it on sale. And I'll let you guys know at the end, how much I paid for this stuff and what it came with. But this is the Torque, Orbit Polisher. It is a little bit on the heavier side, but, I think, it shouldn't be an issue or problem, for me to be able to use this product, especially because it did say, to put very light pressure when you're actually using this. So I think it should be fine. I'm not too worried about the vibration or anything like that, but I'm really excited to use this polisher and this product. You can use it on actually to restore, the headlights on your on your vehicle. Of course, you can remove some of the scratches and some of the swirls that you do see on your car. So this product, definitely super excited to use, not only for this Jeep, but for my other vehicle as well. When I purchased this, I also did end up getting the package deal, which came with the pads. And there's three pads that it comes with. You'll see the finishing pad, which is the black one, the medium to heavy cutting pad, which is the orange, and then there's a light to medium pad. So there is a process to these pads and when you use them. For my understanding, you basically primarily use this one most of the time, and then you go into your lighter and medium finishes. But this is just some of the things that I remember from when I read the reviews and stuff like that. The other product that came with this deal was also the polish compound as well. So it comes with 4 different stages depending on how severe your swirls or your scratches are, is depending which number compound you're going to use. In my case, I probably will start off with like the 36 and then see if that works out and go from there. But usually they recommend for you to start with the 36 and then move around. But definitely we'll be talking more about these products when I actually make the video how to use it off of what I've learned. The other thing that I ended up getting is the clay bar, OG clay bar from, once again, Chemical Guys. From what my understanding is, before you even polish your vehicle or try to remove any swirls or anything like that or scratches, you want to make sure you clay bar your vehicle. So I want to make sure that I do wash my car, use the clay bar to make sure I get off all that grind and dirt that's just been sitting on the paint for a very long time. So definitely going to use this. I want to make sure I do all the steps as best as possible and follow those steps. So this is another thing that I ended up buying. And the other thing that was recommended was the clay Luber spray. So you use the spray with the clay bar together to decrease that I guess that heat. It'll help you rub the clay bar a little bit easier when you spray the clay Luber. So definitely a product, once again, that showed a lot of really amazing reviews on Chemical Guys. And once again, like I said, I'm not being sponsored by Chemical Guys. I just went off of one recommended person, which was the person who sold me the vehicle, and really said, use the VRP. I really recommend it. It works really well. And I remember when I went to see the vehicle for the first time, I did notice that the car looked very, not so well kept, a little bit dirty and stuff like that. But the next day the following time when I actually picked up the vehicle to purchase the vehicle, the car looked like brand new from out of the dealer. So, I just took his word and purchased the product and then looked at all the other products. The other thing that was so cool that came with the package was the Chemical Guys, I guess, finals and stickers. So I might be probably, there's a couple in here that I probably like, but, depending, I'm not going to put it just yet because I want to form my own opinion. I just don't go by all the reviews, but I do want to form my own opinion and see if these products actually are as great as people really say they are. So I'll definitely, before I put any, starts, putting some stuff on stickers on my vehicle or anything like that and saying that, yeah, I love these products. I first want to make sure I use the products first, see how they work out on my vehicle and see if, it really does last as long as it lasts. And before I even do that, before I even start, advertising or saying, hey, guys, use this product. All I'm saying right now is that I'm going to go ahead and try out the product by the reviews that I've read and all the homework and research that I've done regarding, detailing and products for your vehicle. And then I'll try it on myself. And if I like it and if I love it, then I'll make sure that I'll let you guys know. And if I don't, then I'll let you guys know as well. The other thing that I did get as part of my present, you can never forget your black guys, little trees. Those are pretty cool. Putting them in your vehicle. So this one I already put on my vehicle since the first day I got it, just because the car, is used, so it smelled a little funky. But besides that, I've already used one. But definitely, when I use these products, I wash my car and do all that good stuff. I'll definitely put this. But definitely going to do a part 2 to this video where I'm going to show you guys how to use all these products, apply all these products, especially this one here. I definitely want to do step by step. And before I do that, I've already done a lot of research and homework on how to do it. but I'll definitely do a little bit more before I make the video to make sure that I'm going through the steps correctly and I'm giving you guys all that information correctly. So I just want to thank you guys, for joining. And once again, thank you, downshifters, and I really appreciate you guys and see you in the next video.